Thank you for watching. I am here today to give you my evaluation and honest review of these ScandiHome travel bags that we got on Amazon. True story, my family travels a lot. Planes, trains, and automobiles means something completely different in our house aside from being a movie. And don't forget cruise ships. And we are forever looking for ways to be more organized, make our packing easier, and to be able to utilize our spaces even more. And that's why we gave these ScandiHome travel organizers a try. Something that I look for and I pay attention to when I order products online is the quality of the construction and the quality of the materials. I like to go through and take a look at all of the stitching, all of the seams, the zippers. I like to try those out and make sure that all of the zippers work properly. I like to make sure that there are no tears or rips or frays or anything else that would prohibit me from being able to use these just like they were supposed to be used. And certainly we love things that are built to last. There are a few things that I love about the ScandiHome travel organizing bags. I love that the bags have little handles on them so that you can lift them right out of your suitcase, put them in the drawers if you're going to be doing that, or you can carry them around if you need to. And something else that you don't find on every travel organizer is what they suggest that you use the bag for, plus the dimensions. Whether it's a shoe bag, a sock bag, a bag for your unmentionables, or any other needs that you might have. And what I also like is all of the bags will fit in the largest one so that you can store them easy. We love our ScandiHome travel organizers. They make traveling a whole lot easier, a whole lot more efficient, and we can utilize our space so much better. So take it from an avid traveler who's been around the world. I highly recommend that you give ScandiHome travel bag organizers a try. They work for us. Maybe they'll work for you as well.